What is going on, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about another project, that is Treasure. Treasure is a gaming project that is building their own blockchain. For that they have announced a testnet, which I'm going to talk about in this video. Their magic token already trading at 31 cents, and what I'm going to show you in this video that how you can go through the step-by-step process of the Treasure testnet. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So in the description I'll share a link with you. When you click on that link, it will redirect you to this page. After reaching this page, what you will need to do is connect your MetaMask wallet first. When you click here are the tasks that we are going to cover in this video. So the first task is use the Treasure Testnet Faucet. So click on collect magic and it will redirect you to this page. Here what you will need to do is connect your MetaMask first, and then take your address and put it here, and then request one magic, and done, you got the faucet. So this task will be done in a while the second task is mint the NFT on the Treasure scan. So when you click on mint, it will redirect you to this page. Again you will connect your MetaMask here, and then when you scroll down you will see on the 5th position right. So you have to click on right. It will give a confirmation to your wallet. Approve that, you have to confirm that, and your NFT is minted. So this task will also be done in a while. The 2 tasks is already been done, and now it says that mint magic on Sepolia testnet, bridge at least one magic from Sepolia to Treasure testnet. For this I'll share a link in the description. When you click on that, you will land on this landing page. After landing on this landing page, what you will need to do is connect your MetaMask wallet here. So click on connect to Web3, then OK, and then MetaMask, and you are done. Once your wallet is connected, you need to scroll down, and here you will see at the 10th position mint daily allocation. So you need to click on that, and then you need to click on right. A confirmation will go to your wallet. You will approve that, and you will get one magic token from Sepolia testnet, which is the first part of the task. Mint magic on Sepolia testnet. Now bridge at least one magic from Sepolia to the Treasure testnet. For that you will come to the chain section here and click on bridge. Once you click on bridge, you will come to this landing page. When you complete this task and get one magic token, it will show here. So what you will need to do is just write one and approve this. A confirmation will go to your wallet and approve that. This bridge will also be done. If you come to the quest again, this task will also be done. Now what left is the onboarding task. So this is quite simple task, nothing hard in it. The first task is claim your treasure tag. So you will click on claim. It will redirect you to this page, and here you will write your email. After writing the email, tick this and click on send. An email will come to your provided email. For that I'm opening my Gmail. Here you will see the email verification mail. So once you click on verify, your email is verified now. Now what you need to do is connect your Twitter and then connect your Discord. After connecting Twitter and Discord, then you will write a username. Suppose I'm writing RA7 AIRDROP 1, then it will check the availability. It is available, and then click on the switch network and then change the network to the Treasure Ruby. Once you do that, another thing will appear here, the hash number. Once you do that, once you do all this thing, connect your Twitter, Discord, and write your username, approve this, you will see another thing, that is hash number. To do that, you will just write 4 numbers in it and you are done. So after connecting your Twitter, Discord, writing your username and a 4-digit number, then you can claim your treasure tag. So our task was to claim our treasure tag. So then you will click on claim. Verification will go to your wallet and you will approve that, and this task will be done as well. Now this customizer task, join our Discord, and this collector task. These 3 tasks has some issue. When you come to the leaderboard, here you will see all the quests that for everybody it is shown the 3. In my account I have completed all the tasks, but except these 3. So we will leave that for a while and do the rest tasks. So when you confirm your email in this task will also be done. like it is mail lister option marketing email. So remember to verify your email too. Once your email verified, this task will also be done. After that, you need to connect your Steam here. So click on connect. It will redirect you to the Steam landing page. If you don't have any account in the Steam, so sign up for one and then connect your Steam here. After that, Twitch connector, so connect your Twitch here. So if you don't have any account in Twitch, so first make one account and then connect this. Their server is not joining in the meantime, so we will leave it, and then you will connect your Twitter here, and we are done here. And this task is little bit tricky, but we get the magic token from the Sepolia testnet, which is the first part of this task, and then bridge that one magic from Sepolia to the treasure. And I have shown you that you can do that here in the bridge section. Once you claim your magic token from the Sepolia testnet, here is the Sepolia testnet, so the token will show up here. So you will write that one and then approve, and your task will be done. So this is the only task that is tricky in this testnet, nothing harder in the rest task, and that is like connecting your Steam account, Twitch account, and Twitter account. So that's it, we have cleared all the tasks. If anyone faces any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment section, and if any major task appear here, I will guide you through another video. Till then, subscribe to this channel and see you again.